After 40, strength doesn't disappear because of age. It disappears because most people stop using a few critical movement patterns. Lose those patterns and stiffness, pain, and weakness slowly take over. But if you want to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free for decades, there are 3 science-backed exercises that need to be part of your daily routine. The third one is the most overlooked, and skipping it is exactly why so many people feel fragile as they get older. Number 1. Wall sits. Wall sits are one of the most powerful tools for knee and joint longevity. As we age, the tissues surrounding the knees don't fail because of time. They fail because they stop being loaded in a stable way. Research shows that isometric holds like wall sits strengthen tendons, improve joint resilience, and reactivate the muscles that protect your knees. If you're a beginner, stand with your back against a wall and your feet about 12 inches forward. Bend your knees slightly to a comfortable position. Your goal is simple. Accumulate 2 minutes of total hold time across the day. At the intermediate level, slide down until your thighs are nearly parallel to the floor. Press your lower back firmly into the wall and stay tall through your chest. Build up to 5 minutes per day. If you're advanced, go deeper and experiment with foot distance. Accumulate up to 10 minutes total. Done consistently, wall sits create bulletproof knees, stronger posture, and the kind of leg endurance that makes stairs feel easy again. Wall sits are insurance for your knees. Master them, and you protect your freedom of movement. Number 2. Deep squats. The deep squat is a primal human resting position, yet most adults in the modern world have completely lost it. And losing this range of motion comes at a cost. Stiff hips and chronic lower back pain are often the result. Biomechanics research shows that the ability to comfortably perform a deep squat is one of the strongest indicators of long-term functional health. This position decompresses the spine, restores natural hip mechanics, and reduces unnecessary stress on the joints. If you're a beginner, hold on to a door frame or sturdy surface for balance. Sit down as low as you can while keeping your heels flat on the floor. Hold for 30 seconds at a time. At the intermediate level, squat without support. Keep your chest tall and your heels grounded. Accumulate 2 to 3 minutes per day. If you're advanced, relax into the bottom of the squat and gently shift your weight side to side to open up the ankles and hips. Aim for 5 to 10 minutes throughout the day. This isn't a workout, it's a reset for your body's natural mechanics. Deep squats restore lost mobility. If you don't use this range, you lose it. Number 3. Horse stance. The horse stance is the ultimate test of structural strength. Unlike wall sits, which rely on external support, the horse stance forces your hips, glutes, and core to stabilize your entire body on their own. Research on functional stiffness shows that wide stances like this strengthen the lateral hip stabilizers, the exact muscles that protect against falls and hip fractures as we age. For beginners, stand with your feet about twice shoulder width, toes slightly turned out. Sink down just a few inches and hold. Accumulate 2 minutes per day. At the intermediate level, lower your hips further, bringing your thighs closer to parallel. Keep your pelvis tucked and your spine long. Hold for 3 to 5 minutes total. If you're advanced, drop your hips until your thighs are fully parallel to the ground and extend your arms forward. Work toward a single, uninterrupted 5-minute hold. This stance ties your entire lower body together, turning unstable joints into a solid foundation. The horse stance keeps you grounded. It builds deep, internal strength that protects you from the inside out. These 3 exercises form the foundation of staying strong after 40, but the horse stance is the most powerful of them all. If you want to master this movement and unlock next-level joint stability and deep strength, you need to watch the next video. Consistency is everything. Start today, and I'll see you there.